So I'm on my nighttime walk and this thought just popped into my head. So for those who attach a pathogenic exposure to the development of their diabetes from a foundational development, not just a triggering event, but the people who say, because I got this virus, I now have diabetes. Much of the research behind these viruses is into the virus's ability to overtake a human cell. It has these specific receptors that are extremely similar to those found in humans. It is hijacking specific signaling pathways to divert energy towards them. But I think that this approach to understanding pathogenic takeover in hosts has led people to assume that a viral engagement is the end-all be-all of how viruses take over hosts, right? Like, we've done so much work into outlining the arsenals of these viruses that we just assume, because these viruses are having this effect on us, that it's because of these tools that they have to engage their hosts, that if you get this virus, there's nothing you can do. And I don't think that's true at all. And I want to offer a different take. Instead of this kind of like shotgun approach where viruses just attack the host, they have all these incredible mechanisms that, leave your cells with no other choice but to succumb. Wouldn't it be more energy efficient and ultimately more advanced of these viruses to have a specific mechanism to target vulnerable cells? Because for those of you who have bought into the idea that because you have the virus, you have diabetes, you have to acknowledge the fact that there is a lot of people who have gotten the virus that you're talking about, whether it's COVID or Coxsackie virus, and not developed diabetes. So that leads me to believe that there is some kind of pre-existing condition that leaves certain cells in the body vulnerable to these incredibly advanced and advantageous attackers that viruses are, to not just blanket cells and hope that they get into one, but to be able to identify cells that are in trouble, that they will succeed in. And when you look into the pre-existing cellular conditions that lead to improved viral takeover, you'll be amazed the connections you see.